Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you this Promixx Person Protein Shaker Bottle. Of course, you can shake in this bottle any liquids, what you like. It does not, is only for proteins, okay? But the main thing behind this is bodybuilding and protein shaking, of course, because this is a protein shaker bottle. It's a premium sports blender bottle for protein mixes and supplement shakes. Easy clean, durable protein shaker cap. It's available in a lot of colors on the market. It's in midnight blue, in Arctic white, in coral, graphite gray, ocean calm green, seagrass green, in stealth black, and so on. It's available in 24 OZ or 32 OZ, so you can see what's the capacity will be. In this one, it's 1.6 pounds. We have here premium engineering, pioneering design. This is a revolutionary protein shaker bottle, designed to meet the demands of our health and fitness routine. The Promixx Person raises the bar on standard blender bottles with its sophisticated silhouette and an unparalleled performance too. We have here the possibility of this. Promixx. This is the perfect mix. World's leaders in cutting-edge product design and pioneers for the health and fitness industry. Design, functionality, and performance. The athletes and the customers like us deserve a design that looks awesome and feels great. It's design that is pioneering, scientifically engineered to be the best in the world at what it does. A design that is inspiring, innovative, and optimized for performance. Promixx aim to surprise and delight with awesome inventions that inspire healthier choices and healthy habits. This is performance mixing is in the Promixx DNA. So, we have here a shaker bottle by Promixx that has been designed with simplicity, functionality, and elegance in mind. The environmentally friendly eco-san bottle has been created using natural materials for a perfect and clean shake. And we have here a stylish, ergonomic, and durable 24 OZ that has 700 milliliter capacity. Environment-friendly, BPA-free, stain and odor resistant, easy to clean and impact resistant too. Of course, we have more. We create the perfect mix. OZ plus ml scale, so we can make our supplement and protein mixes just how we like them. Everything is on it. We have a flip cap sports lid with an ultra performance seals. The sports lid with a convenient carry loop and a flip cap and an ergonomic mouthpiece that feels good. And a detachable snap fit agitator for easy cleaning. The snap fit agitator can be detached from the lid for easy cleaning. And the agitator is designed for optimal protein mixes. Integrate an easily removable agitator for the perfect mix. No rattling blender balls, no mess. And over 1 million happy customers. Global leader in mixing technology, the Promixx has sold over 1 million products and endorsed by athletes worldwide. Performance blending is in their DNA. And environment-friendly and durable. It creates using natural materials. The durable eco-san bottle is odor and stain resistant and BPA free, so weekend protein stays clean. And with a perfect mix, no rattling ball. Integrate an easy removable agitator for the perfect mix. No rattling blender bowl, no mess, baby, and it's really easy to clean. We snap the fat agitator to curved cap, makes for easy cleaning. It's also top rack dishwasher safe. You see, a lot of fun and a lot of easy going with this shaky bottle. And it's easy to use, really easy. We have to shake the bottle, we get it in, job's done, make a mixing job. After this, we can use this at the workout to get our power back with the Promixx protein shaker bottle. Premium sports blender bottles for protein mixes and supplement shakes. Thanks for watching. Oh, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Thanks, son.